What's going on YouTube, it's GadgetsBoy and this is the latest Fossil Sport smartwatch. It's affordable at just £249 and it features the new Snapdragon Wear 3100. With the latest Wear OS and Wear 3100, it's set to be a smartwatch that will run all day long. And if you're familiar with Explorist, you'll notice the 3 side button setup for operating it. However, compared to the Explorist, you won't be able to use the middle button to scroll the menu when using it. The Fossil Sport is stylish and colourful with 6 colour options available, with a variety of straps to really make it yours. The Sport is only 12mm thick with a compact 41mm or 43mm face available as well. It's very comfortable and not too chunky on the wrist, which is something I really like about it. And when you pick it up, you can feel how light it really feels, making it very suitable for exercise and all your fitness activities. The Sport also features NFC connectivity, which you can use for payment in countries where Google Payments is supported. There's built-in GPS for location tracking, a HR sensor to monitor your heart rate. You can track altitude, speed, and even angle of incline. The fitness and wellbeing section is powered by Google Fit, while Google Assistant is there to help you manage your messages, calendar, etc. For compatibility, the Sport will work with devices running iOS 9.3 or Android 4.4 and above. The Sport looks fun, it's not chunky, and will track and work with most of your fitness activities, even yoga. A day's battery life though, that's something that you'll have to decide if it's enough for you and your lifestyle or not. But in the meantime, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button and share it as well. And hit that bell button as well to be one of the first people to know every time we upload on this channel. See you in the next one.